We have 122 snow removal drivers that will be working this winter. We start 3 shifts on Monday. We'll have first, second, and third shift, 24-hour coverage. We have ancillary employees, seasonal municipal labor, service laborers. We have construction operators who load the salt, and we have radio operation that goes through 24 hours a day. We have currently 71 snow vehicles in our fleet that are up and operational. We have 15 pickup trucks with plows. The pickup trucks are used by the supervisors, and they are used on alleys and small streets where we can't get the larger trucks down. We have 13 road graders that we will bring out when necessary. When we get a heavy snow, we'll bring our road graders out. And we have 14 front-end loaders that we will bring out, a total of around 113 vehicles that we have that we use for snow removal operations. In our inventory right now, we have 24,000 tons of salt that we're ready to put on the ground. All of our domes are full, and we're working on getting more salt. We have also had the capacity to buy 55,000 more tons of salt this year as we go. The snow plow operation and the snow removal policy is that we clear all of our main streets first. We have 54 main streets that we clear first. We get into a fair condition before we turn into our residential subsections. We'll turn in those residential subsections after we get fair condition on our mains, and then we have 292 subsections that we clear during every snow. The priorities become schools, hills, bridges, and those subsections with those kind of amenities in them are first. We also have a working cooperation with CPD, UCI, Cleveland Clinic, police traffic control when we're trying to get traffic in and out of downtown Cleveland. So everybody's working. When we call UCI, we talk about how we get traffic control down at that end of the city so people can get up those hills, and we salt those hills and bridges first. So we work through that thing. Again, our main streets are done first, then our secondaries are done. The fair condition may not be it may not be running wet, but we will turn back into our mains after we get through our residential streets. And we'll go back again to clean those up, the residentials as we go through. We have a process by which we look at snow and what the time frame is for getting in the mains and getting out of the mains and getting into our residential streets. 1 to 4 inches of snow. We expect to clean our mains on a shift, 4 to 8 hours. That's 1 to 4 inches. We then anticipate getting into our residential streets 24 to 36 hours after the snow stops. I want to make that clear. We have to wait till the snow stops before we go in. 4 to 6 inches is 8 to 12 hours to clean those mains, and 36 to 48 hours to get into our residentials. 6 inches or above is 8 to 16 hours on the main streets and 48 to 72 hours to get into those residentials. We have approximately 8,000 residential streets in this city that we have to clean, and we'll be cleaning them 24 hours a day.